Alright guys, what's going on? It's the Rouser and I'm back for another caricature drawing tutorial with you. Okay, so go ahead and break out that Crayola. I know y'all saying one day I'm going to do some color ones, and I will. I just like drawing the black and white because it's just so nostalgic to me. It's just one of those things, I don't know. So I use a combination of markers. Sometimes I'll use Sharpie. Most of the time I use Crayola. Because I feel like they have a lot of line diversity that you get with these that you don't get with the Sharpie. So, but either or is a good marker. So let me see here. Let's do the jawline shape here. And my upper head shape. So I want to be sure that I get that hair in the face. That seems like something a little bit iconic there. So, all right, now check this out. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the top of the head here. All right, we want to keep this really round, okay? But we're going to come back here and we want to go ahead and start kind of putting in this her headphones, okay? So we're going to do like this. And we're going to bring the headphone thing around and around here, right? And then we'll just, put like a makeshift hinge here. We don't have to have it exactly like the picture. Remember, this is a cartoon, not the real version. So, and then we'll come over here and add the little outside part. Okay, so once we have that, right, we'll come out here and we'll make our hair just kind of come down, straight lines around the face. We're using a short piece of, this is an 8x11 sheet of paper I'm using, so I'm not going to be able to get all of her luxurious hair in there. Also, guys, if you hear my kids screaming in the background, it's because I don't have an airtight studio. And so, kids don't care that you're doing a YouTube video. They just want to say what they're going to say, right? All right, so basically I have the whole outside of the drawing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start adding her features in, okay? Now for her features, I'm going to use, you know what? I'm thinking I'm going to use my triangle shape with these eyes because they're very angly to me. So what I want is something that is going to go like this. Now watch how I have a very distinct triangle shape, okay? See, a lot of times, what people don't understand when they do this type of art is that you're not drawing you're drawing what it kind of looks like. You're not drawing the actual thing. And you have to be able to see shapes within what seems like a complicated feature. You have to break it down to something that's very usable for your mind, for your brain. You get what I mean? So this way you're not drawing the feature, you're drawing that thing, and then it makes it easier for you to draw. So let's go ahead and finish this other triangle. So you see how those triangles work real nice. See, it looks like a diamond actually, but I'm thinking in terms of triangles. So I really just put a line in my head right underneath that eye, and I drew the other half of a triangle. So it's basically just two triangles sitting on top of each other. Now she doesn't have a fold over her eye, so check this out. What I'm going to do is just do like this. Okay? Because I want a lot of angles in. Now watch this. I'm going to go ahead and use this line right here as my eyelashes. You see that? Oh. Okay. I'm going to be honest with you. I didn't even know if I was going to nail that, but it happened. But that's exactly how you draw that eye, okay? Now let's go ahead and draw the nose shape. Okay, so with this nose right here, she has a friendly nose. So she got a very upturned nose. I like to use one part of the nose, like the ball of it first, and put one nostril, and then I'll add the other nostril. That's just my particular technique. She has a little bitty nose, so I want to have that in there. And that helps me to not overdraw the nose when I think about the nose in that way. So I'll do some more videos on noses. Matter of fact, let me, on the side here, I'll write down noses. I got to do that video for you. Okay, now all we got to do is do the lips. Now, lips, super easy. Okay, lips are just basically what they call them. They're hexagons. Okay, if you don't know what a hexagon looks like, it looks like, I'm just going to use a piece of this sticky paper here. Okay, so a hexagon kind of looks like this shape here. Okay, and if I do like this in between a hexagon, it kind of looks like lips, right? You see what I mean? So if I take this shape right here, I'm just going to stick it right here. And then I'll take it off after I draw it. Watch my pen motion and watch this lip shape. Okay, you see? This is what I can understand this because I know how to draw that. So in my mind, I'm drawing this. I ain't drawing lips, but you can see the correlation between the two of them, right? Okay. So pretty much all we have to do now is just add her little jacket, right? Okay. And we got an excellent half body. I'm just gonna start putting in my darks now, okay? Okay. Now, next thing, shadows. Use this gray. Watch this. 1, 2, right? 1, 2. Watch the lips. Look at the shapes I'm drawing. Same shape inside of the lips. Okay. All right. Then we'll add a little bit of shadow here to the side of the face. Okay. And you know what? We really don't need any more shadows here. I really can't see. Maybe over here. All right. But other than that, I think that's sufficient. So let's switch back over to our Crayola. Now let's do some hair. Hair again, super easy. I hold my marker like this. I got big hands, so I like to use my marker like this. All right, and then it takes less time, so watch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2. All right, watch. 1, 2. All right. Now watch. There we go. 1, 2. Then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. All right. And I'm coming around the side of the head, but watch how I leave lighting in between all of the things that I put on the page, even the headphones. I'm leaving light in between in between my shapes. So it creates this illusion of crazy contrast and crazy depth in the drawing, right? Here we go. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So her hair took me in real time less than 60 seconds. Okay, with that kind of depth you can put in the picture. Now what we're going to do here, we'll come back and we'll do this right here. Okay, so now when we use this, because that's black, what I might do here, I might use the same gray, right, so that you can see the contrast between it and this, right? And I'll do this right here. Okay, so we know that these are the headphones, right? It's a cartoon. We can get away with this. Yes, we can. Okay, wait a minute, and let me do something. Ooh, there we go. Now watch this. Now all I gotta do is come back. And add a little bit of lines in, but not so much where it looks like super busy. Okay, and even with all of this black in there, you still can see the separation between all of my shapes. And when you do color, you know, you can just use color and then you want to do that. But I had to figure out, how can I make all this go together, right? But make you be able to see the distinct shapes around each thing, and that's kind of how I accomplish it like that. Okay, and then we'll just go down to the jacket, right, again, and see quick color, a lot of impressionism type color. Now we're at the end of the drawing. Now I would give this to them and say I'm done, right? But maybe you want to add some more, a little bit more detail, but not so much where it looks overworked. Okay, this is when you add little stuff like this. So watch this. One, look at these little hairs, and just a few of them will make it look like she got real hair, right, going across the body. Okay, now I like to always add a little color to my drawings. Something about this right here, I like adding pinks and yellows and stuff, especially at work. If I do a black and white, right, sometimes I'll add a little bit of pink, or you know what I'm saying, the girls like pink and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. We got our pink and we got yellow with a pink top on it for some reason. Okay, but here we go. With this one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some like circles. All right. Okay. Just some little bubbles, right? Okay. And you know what? I think I'm gonna leave it right there. I ain't gonna do nothing else. I'm gonna sign my work. And that's it. I want to thank you for watching this video and tutorial. I'm going to be posting up more videos and tutorials soon. If you like, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to come back and draw with me again. Also, don't miss the opportunity to come draw with me live. I do have 2 live streams a week that I do on Tuesday mornings at 9:30 a.m. And then I have one on Saturday morning at about 11:30 a.m. And on those, I just share with you my practice tips and all that stuff like that. And then we even talk after our stream with some things that I believe will help us, just in our everyday life. So I don't just want to show you how to draw. I want to teach you I want to share with you how I think, about drawing, and how I kind of connect that with, life. And because we're all going through things. So, I want to hopefully you'll leave encouraged with that. So other than that, guys, that's all I got for you for today. You be blessed. Thank you for watching. And I hope I get to draw with you again real soon. Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah.
So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.